Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. BBNaija Pepper them reunion show. I felt Nelson stabbed me in the back after choosing Esther over me, Diane says. Did you hear Diane's word? Yes, she was very open and not minding what you, the viewer, may think about her. She said plainly that Nelson disappointed her and chose to be with her then bestie, Esther. Diane heartbroken after Nelson left her for Esther. During the 2019 BBNaija show, everyone could see how Diane was giving Nelson greenlight, letting him know she wanted a date, maybe as a strategy to winning the reality show. But after Nelson saw Esther, Mercy, including Diane, he decided to go for the first person. Esther was really everything Nelson could think about as long as they were having fun in Biggie's house. And Esther, who was very cool and one of a kind bestie to Mercy and Diane, reciprocated that decisive move from Nelson without considering the fact she could hurt her besties. She definitely did hurt them, and Diane made it known to Ebuka during the Pepper Dem reunion show that Nelson really hurt her after all the excessive green lights she sent his way. She added that Esther also contributed to the inordinate feelings after choosing to reliably confide more in Nelson than she and Mercy. In her words, she said, I felt like Nelson stabbed me in the back after choosing Esther over me. Diane confirmed to Ebuka, adding she was very happy as soon as she saw Nelson evicted. Well, no hard feelings from Diane, just the normal woman action and inaction which always come when someone tries to initiate a strife between another. And you could see Diane later found love and peace in the house with one of the new housemates, Iluzuna. Okay guys, what are your thoughts on this? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.